Greetings,
I'm Ediz.
and I'm Ben.
And today we've got something a little bit different.
Whoa, 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 whoa! We thought we'd get people moving and do a little dance routine from
The Goofy movie.
It's actually called A Goofy Movie, but cool. It's the 25th anniversary at the moment, so we thought we'd do the routine from to
We basically put like our own combination together because obviously we can't dance like cartoons.
They dance crazy, they're like all loosey-goosey. So we've tried to copy it as much as we can. We've taken all little bits from the performance at the end and combined it. So every move we're gonna do is in that performance. We're just putting it together so we can do the little chorus. Max and Goofy style.
So you can practice it at home,
Oh
clear the furniture out the way.
Make sure we're safe.
Yeah, and then get your goofiness on.
Are we ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, so the first bit we're going to do is the perfect cast. The perfect cast! Hey Dad, do the perfect cast! That's what we're gonna do.
Dad, do the perfect cast!
So it's the bit where Goofy and Max first get in and they're dancing with Powerline and it's all so exciting. So basically we start with this arm and we go pump, pump. As we're doing that, our legs are gonna be stepping out, out. So they kind of, the knees go out and you just step it. And that's with hitting it down. So we go pump, pump. And while that's happening, this hand is straight out, wrist, hand pointing down, and we go pump, pump, like that. It feels weird, but hey, they're cartoons, this is what they do, okay? So we've gone 1, 2, then our hand's gonna come down, and we're gonna do a little jump like this. And as they jump, their shoulders come up as well, so they go hoop, hoop. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now comes the pumpity bit. So, this hand, do you like my name? Sorry, pumpity. So this hand is gonna go round, round. As we're doing that, this leg is gonna go kick, kick, and we're gonna kind of jump onto it. So just the legs will be kick, kick, like that. So putting it together with this as well, we go and push, push. So we're like punching and kicking at the same time, is that correct? Fantastic. So we go from the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and then this leg is up, we step across, and then we give it a little chim chiree, a little chimney sweep kick. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, and step, boom, ha, pumpity. Don't do it like him, okay? And when we do the little chimney sweep massive, we can put our arms like this, like we're for a stair or something, I don't know. Good reference. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pump, pump, ha, ha, pumpity, cha, cha. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go down, down, jump, pumpity, chimney sweep. Nice.
Feel free to pause it, rewind it, practice it a little before moving on if you need to. So, we've just finished with the old Oliver Twist clickery-roo, and we finish with our leg up, and then we start with 4 walks or runs. From the left leg, so we go left, right, left, and then we step out on the right leg. So we've just gone step, clip, and then we use this left leg, and we go left, right, and we're inverting the left knee. And as we do that, we point at the same time. But a tricky situation, as we do the runs, we turn our arm twice, and then the point goes out on the last step. So we go 7, 8, we go, and 1, and 2. And the left hand is on the hip, and we look like we've just seen something real cool. And then we do a point to the left. We're fine, we're never 2. Carrying on, we go. We go up with our hands, far to the sky, far, and then across to the side. Let's do that again. So we're here, and we go up, down. And we move our body, our legs stay where they are, and we move our body to the side. And then we change the legs and switch the body. Whoa, that's confusing. So we're going like this with our legs and our body. So we're here, and we go to the left, and then we switch to the right. So after you've done the clipped heel, we go on the lyrics. I think it's you'll find your never to, or you find. And we go, you'll find your, and then never to. Far apart and.
So you go from the top?
Yeah. 5, 6, 7. If we listen to each other. Find it never too far apart and.
So the hands go like this or like this?
Up to the sky.
I did it wrong.
Like you're reaching for Goofy?
No, we're reaching for that big chick who's like, you know what I mean.
Right, so that's about the halfway point. Let's try that the music and see how we get on. Get me, Benny boy. 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section.
Next section. So we're just going boom. Da. Wait, why is funky doing? So we're just going boom da da. Then we point up this way. Then this bit's real quick. We go around like this, but you gotta do it like so we've gone there, and we go around, up. Then this knee comes in. Lyrics would help, wouldn't they? So you go may be love all the way around, and then this knee goes huh. On which bit? Maybe love is the. Then we come back to the front on re. Then we do a little shoulder shuffle on zun y. So we go refresh that because that was messy. So we go may be love is the reason why. Maybe love is the
Reason why.
reason why. Ugly dougly. Let's go from the top, nice and slow with the counts. Can you sing Powerline for me?
I'll try.
Oh my gosh, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, that's fast. Let's go slower. 5, 6, 7,
If
8.
we listen to each other,
Oliver Twist.
we find we're never too far apart, and maybe love is the reason why.
Should we try music?
Try music.
Let's try music.
Don't forget the double roll of the arm on the point, then.
I forgot it.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Only do one. It's fast. You sounded like the cheese guy. Smoke it out.
Cheddar Wizard!
I'm getting left with the hard sections, Ben, to teach. Right, so the last section of choreography. We've just finished. We've gone here. Baby love is the reason why. Wait, that's terrible. We finished. We've just gone shoulder, shoulder. And we've gone the lyrics. You with me?
I'm with you.
Goes, for the first time ever.
Yeah, baby.
When we circle the arms, we go, and we bring the leg into the foot into the knee. So we go, for the first, and we have fists, and we're like this, like that's a like karate kick. So we go, for the first time, and we've inverted this right leg.
What is with you and inversions, bro?
So we're here, and we go, so this is for the first, and we go, time, and then we close, ever. So we go, for the first time ever. One more time. For the first time ever. So the key is to make sure when you come back round, you leave your arms open to then close, open, close. And that closes on the ver of ever. So we go, for the first time ever, we go, we're seeing it, and we've just seen something. And we go, and we go, head, head on I2. And then, what happens next, Ben?
We're gonna freestyle, okay? So there's a few more moves that they do in the performance that we just couldn't fit in, so...
Or physically possible because we're not cartoons.
Oh yeah, there's some that they're just like, literally like flying in the air, so we're not gonna do those ones, but what are the options we can do? They do a little moonwalk, you do a sick moonwalk.
Yeah.
What else was there? Oh! So this is my favourite.
This is the 90s.
So to do that, you literally just step this way, step that way, then you get your elbows involved, then you just groove it. You just groove
Do whatever you want.
You just
Circle
groove
around.
it. You just groove
The
it.
best 90s moves, basically. What would Powerline be proud of?
What would Powerline be proud of? That is literally what I wake up every day and I say to myself,
Hashtag.
what would Powerline be proud of?
Right, let's try all that again from the beginning slowly with the music.
Can we just refresh? What was that end bit? Because
Yes, let's do that. So we just go, we finish here, we go. The lyrics are reason why, and it goes for the first time ever. So the first move is without any lyrics. For the first time move ever, we're seeing it. I too groove it out. Freestyle, you know his moves so.
I to I, and on that last I to I, we're gonna give it a I to I.
So point to your eyeballs and then twist your hands like a peace sign.
Peas, I love peas and carrots.
And then back to your eye.
I to I, wait. I to I. Killing the game.
Let's go slowly without music from the beginning and then slowly without music. Sorry, wait, what? Let's go slowly without the music and then we'll do it once with the music and we'll sweat it out.
Sweat it out. Damn, son. Okay. Slowly from the top. No musico. You have to sing?
I'll try.
He's ecstatic. Ready?
5, 6, 7. If we listen to each other's heart, we find we're never too far apart. And maybe love is the reason why. For the first time ever, we're seeing it. I to
Party, 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 party. Party.
Whew, my breath.
It's actually quite fast, you know.
If you're struggling with that a little bit, wind it back, pause it, have a break of water. Have a break of water. Terrible sentence. Now let's try it with the music.
Microphone.
6, 7, 8. So that was the whole routine. You've done the whole choreography. I was like, what is he doing? So yeah, we'll run it a few more times and then have some fun, enjoy, smile, you know. What? 5, 6, 7, 8. So that was a bit of choreography from the Goofy movie, corrected. And if you had fun, share it with your pals, challenge each other.
Yeah, like tag us in it at Ediz and Ben on Instagram. We want to see you guys doing it.
Yes, sweat it out in this interesting time.
It's actually quite intense, you know. I've got a sweat on.
Yeah, a bit of a workout.
Get your daily exercise while we're all locked inside.
Yeah.
Or if you're watching this in the future, what's it like? Are people allowed outside their houses? Let us know in the comments below.
If there's any other films, you're like, hey, what are they doing in this routine?
We could try and learn it and teach you. Oh my gosh.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and hopefully we'll be able to give you some more videos and content and fun times. Yay!
Bye!
Peace!
And carrots.